How to get paint off a car. When you notice paint on your car where it shouldn't be, do you ever get annoyed? You are most certainly not alone. An automobile with unwanted paint is usually ugly. Occasionally, despite our best efforts to keep our cars in perfect condition, these issues are simply unavoidable. Say goodbye to your anxieties about getting the paint off your automobile, regardless of the type of paint. Whether it's spray paint, house paint, or something else entirely, as long as you follow these instructions precisely and quickly. So, let's get right into the video and learn how to get paint off a car. Use soapy water to clean up. Pour some warm soapy water into a bucket. Use a gentle detergent like dish soap or car wash solution. Scrub off the offensive paint with a towel or dishcloth. Depending on the type of paint used by the vandals, this could be a remedy to your issue. Remember that vandalism can just be a fun prank using paint that is easily wiped. Whatever the paint kind, if it hasn't yet entirely cured, this might work. It's best to try to remove the spray paint as quickly as possible. Apply rubbing compound to treat. Go to any auto parts store and buy some rubbing compound. Test a small area before pursuing the entire surface by vigorously rubbing the rubbing compound on the problematic paint with a dry, soft cloth. You might also use a microfiber cloth with a light abrasiveness. You can get these at auto parts stores. Apply nail polish remover to the area. Purchase any non-acetone nail polish remover from any brand. You're effectively trying to remove the enamel layer from your car's surface because it was designed to do the same for fingernails. Pour some liquid onto a towel made of terry cloth. To remove spray paint, rub very carefully. It ought to immediately remove it. Thoroughly rinse after cleaning. Apply a coat of wax afterward. Use Magyar's clay to treat. Purchase the smooth surface clay kit, which comes with wax, a microfiber cloth, and detailing spray, which you would use as a lubricant for the clay. Use the clay to remove the spray paint. It is highly effective and gentle on your paint. Adhere to the kit's instructions. After that, wax your car. Get qualified assistance. Make calls to the insurance agency and the body shop. Get a professional estimate if all else fails, or if you're afraid to try to remove the paint yourself. Depending on the severity of the damage, they might be able to remove the spray paint, possibly using one of the techniques outlined above, or the automobile might need to be completely or partially repainted. Check your deductible and submit a claim if the cost exceeds the deductible, if your vehicle has comprehensive coverage, which should cover vandalism. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.